In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Revolut Business Account in UK. By the end, you'll have a clear path from the first click to seeing your new business dashboard. To make this smooth, have access to your email, your mobile phone, your company's house details, and a valid photo ID ready. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Revolut. From the official site, look for the option to create an account and select it. When prompted, choose your country as United Kingdom and continue. Next, you'll be asked to select your legal business type. Pick the option that matches how your company is registered, such as a limited company, sole trader, or partnership. This determines what information Revolut needs to verify your business. Continue to the email step, enter your email address, and proceed. Now head to your inbox and authorize the login from Revolut. Approving this quickly helps avoid any session timeouts. You'll then enter your phone number. Make sure the correct country code is selected before you continue. Enter the verification code you receive by text to confirm your number. Create a strong password that you can remember, but is hard for others to guess. And continue. You'll be asked for your date of birth. Enter it exactly as it appears on your identification documents and proceed. Next, add your residential address. Ensure this matches your personal ID to prevent verification delays. Then continue. Search for your business's legal name as it appears on official records and continue. You'll now provide key business details, including the legal name, your company's house registration number, and the date of incorporation. You can usually find these on your incorporation certificate or on the company's house website. Enter them carefully and continue. Add your business address, city, and postcode. If your trading address differs from your registered office, use the address Revolut requests on screen, then continue. Now it's time to verify your identity. Choose the ID you'll use, such as a passport or driving license, and follow the prompts. When asked, start the video recording. Make sure you're in a well-lit area, keep your ID within the frame, and follow any on-screen instructions for a quick selfie check. Allow camera and microphone permissions if prompted. Once your verification is submitted, Revolut will review your details. After approval, you'll land on your dashboard where your business account setup is complete and ready for use. If anything needs clarification during review, watch for notifications and respond promptly. And that's the process from start to finish.